Hello. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through my freelance beginner roadmap template. This is built with Notion, and the idea of this template is actually to solve a really big problem for anyone interested in starting as a freelancer. Okay, so let's imagine either you have a skill already or you're just trying to choose a skill or trying to figure out what to start selling as a freelancer. This guide will walk you through the map of everything you need to do from step 1 till step 9. So there is a total of 9 steps and around 55 tasks. Okay, so instead of starting with no direction, without having any idea what to start with, what you should be doing, what you should not be doing, I actually built a full system. This looks like this, and this system takes you step by step as if you have a consultant or as if you have a personal coach helping you step by step, task by task, and even including some databases, some templates, and tips and ideas. Okay, so this is not just a template, it also includes advice and actionable advice and actionable tasks that you clearly know what to do once you get this template from me. Okay, so here just the before we go into the template and before I show you how I built it and what I have inside it, I'm just gonna tell you about myself. I'm a freelancer. Okay, I've been freelancing since 2015. Okay, 2015, 2016 was my official starting. But before that, I was selling a bunch of things, but that was not constant or regular income. Okay, so let's consider 2016 is my official start date, and back then I didn't have anyone to guide me on what to do or what I should not be doing. Okay, so I was exactly where you are right now, and I had zero connections. My LinkedIn account had really maybe 10 or 20 friends that I didn't even know who they are, and the account was not optimized. I wasn't sure how I can compete with all the people who are already well established in the freelancing platforms. Okay, so then I remember also when I opened Upwork, which is the best platform, I consider best platform for freelancer. I opened Upwork back then, and I was checking the profiles of others. I was checking the jobs, and everything looked like a mystery to me. Like literally, I'm not even exaggerating. Everything looks very complicated, especially when you're just starting out, which was my case. I had actually a diploma. I had a master's degree in business administration, but even with my master's degree, what we study at college or at school is always 90% theory. This is unfortunate, but this is the reality. So once you get out of the college or school, you have all that theory knowledge inside your head, but you don't know what you should do. You don't know what actions you should take to get inside or to get in the market. Okay, so let's now check this template where I try to, put it as a shortcut. So for anyone starting out, if they get this template, they will know what to do and when to do it and how much time they should spend on every single task. Okay, so this is the dashboard, how it looks like. Okay, and I made it really simple because we don't want to complicate this for beginners. The idea here is to present a solution as simply as possible. Okay, so here we have the quick actions in the dashboard. You can either open the user instructions or check the roadmap or open your to-do list. Okay, then you have the levels menu. So these 9 steps and 55 tasks are divided into levels. There is the rookie level, which you should start with, and there is the pro level, and there is the expert level. Okay, so this is just a division of the tasks, and then you have 55 tasks and this is just I think it's cool to have the time in here. And over here you will have the actual tasks. Okay, so you can see here task number 1, step 1, the rookie level. Task number 2, step 1, the rookie level. Okay, so this is gonna show you which step you are in or which task. Okay, and they all start out with the gray color. Once you click done, for example, over here, you're gonna have it turn out a blue like this. It turned out blue, sorry, not blue, I mean green, and it disappeared from here. Okay, so you will only, as much as you click and activate done, they will start disappearing from here and new tasks will show up. Okay, so and then if you go to the roadmap over here and then check the tasks, let's see the below view. Here you can see all the databases I have. Then if you go to the steps database, not the steps, I'm actually trying to go to the actions database. Master task database, these are all the tasks. This is the all the views that you have, and this is the to-do list. So inside the to-do list you can see that I have it filtered on and checked. So anything that's checked is not gonna show here, and its color is turning into green. Okay, so I have set up a conditional colors just to help you out. If you open this without a filter, you can see which ones are green, which ones are still gray. Okay, then the steps are here. This is a good demonstration. You can see these are green and these are gray. So I'm just gonna uncheck them again because I don't wanna miss out this. This is a live template that's already being sold. So these are the tasks, and regarding this the database, this is how it looks like from the inside. Okay, you have 9 steps, and you have inside each step you have the tasks related to it. And whenever you get into a task, you will have everything, the instructions that I'm telling you or I'm suggesting on exactly what you need to do to complete that task successfully. Okay, this is the task where you will choose a skill. Okay, I'm giving you instructions on how you should choose the skill. And let's not also forget about the fact that I have explained here in the learning phase and also in the skill selection phase. I explained a method that I'm using and that have been successful for me for over 10 years. Okay, so I explained my method of learning, and this is very valuable. Okay, because I know I talk a lot to freelancers, beginners, and I did some consulting. I also did a lot of workshops. I sold a lot of courses, so I know what problems you suffer from. This is not built 100% using AI. Okay, I've used AI to help me organize the ideas and clean up the text, but the technique is my technique. Okay, so the technique over here, especially in the selection of the skill and in the learning phase, and also in the freelancing part where you should build a portfolio and stuff. Okay, so these are the this is how it looks like. In some steps where it makes sense, you will have a database. For example, when I give you a task to go out and select some jobs and then apply to them, you will end up having databases or trackers that I put there ready for you, so you can track your stuff inside them. So you don't have to build anything out of from scratch. If you use this template, you will have all the trackers you need, you will have all the advice you need all in one place. Okay, so this is the strength, or this is the what makes this template really valuable. It has my experience, it has my consulting ideas, it has my advice, and it's actionable. It's not theory. Okay, because in freelancing we don't need theory, we need actionable advice. This is what you should do and this is what you should not do. Okay, and of course, if you have any questions, you can ask me about them or you can contact me. And of course, also you can customize it. If you don't like some of the steps, you can just skip them, and that's how it works. The way how you can get this template is actually from Notion marketplace. I'm just gonna put the link for you in the description or in the comments. And yeah, it's just notion.com/templates/freelance beginner freelance beginner roadmap, and between every word there is a dash. Okay, so the current price is $29, but I'm planning to increase the price at some point soon, but right now this is what you can get it for. Okay, and try it out. If you love it, share with me your feedback. If you don't love it, also share with me your feedback, and we can find an arrangement too.